You're ready to buy a new power tool, but one question keeps coming up. Should you go corded or cordless? One promises unlimited power. The other promises total freedom. So, which one is actually the smarter investment? Today, we're putting corded and cordless tools head to head to find out. Let's get started. First, what's the difference? Corded tools plug directly into a power outlet. As long as electricity is available, they'll keep running. Cordless tools run on rechargeable batteries. No cables, no extension cords, just grab the tool and go. Now let's compare power. Traditionally, corded tools have always delivered more consistent power. They're ideal for demanding jobs like ripping hardwood, heavy grinding, or long sanding sessions. Modern cordless tools have improved dramatically. High-performance battery systems now compete surprisingly well, but under extreme workloads, corded tools still have the edge. Next, runtime. This one is simple. Corded tools never run out of battery. You can work all day without stopping. Cordless tools are limited by battery capacity. If you're working on large projects, you'll probably need extra batteries or a charger nearby. Now, portability. Here's where cordless tools dominate. No cables, no searching for outlets, no extension cords. They're perfect for job sites, outdoor projects, and quick repairs. Corded tools keep you close to a power source, which can limit movement. Let's talk about convenience. Need to make one quick cut? Grab the cordless tool, pull the trigger, and you're working immediately. Corded tools often require finding power, unrolling extension cords, and managing cables before you even begin. Now compare weight. Corded tools are often lighter because they don't carry a battery. Cordless tools usually weigh a little more due to the battery pack. However, many users gladly accept that extra weight for the freedom they provide. Next, maintenance. Corded tools are generally simple. Keep the cord in good condition, and they'll often last for many years. Cordless tools require battery care. Eventually, battery packs lose capacity and need replacement. That's an additional long-term cost to consider. Now, cost. Corded tools are usually less expensive. Cordless tools often cost more, especially when you include batteries and chargers. However, if you already own batteries within the same tool platform, adding new cordless tools becomes much more affordable. Let's compare best uses. Corded tools are excellent for workshops, continuous heavy-duty work, and maximum performance. Cordless tools are perfect for installation, construction, roof work, outdoor woodworking, and projects where mobility matters. So, which one wins? If your priority is maximum power, unlimited runtime, and lower cost, corded tools are still an outstanding choice. If you value convenience, mobility, and working anywhere, cordless tools are hard to beat. The truth is, most professional woodworkers own both. They use corded tools for heavy workshop tasks, and cordless tools whenever speed and portability matter. Now I'd like to hear from you. If you could only choose one, would you buy corded or cordless tools? Tell us your choice in the comments below. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to subscribe for more woodworking buying guides, tool comparisons, workshop upgrades, and practical woodworking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.